So, hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So, first things first, what I am what I am saying, please listen carefully until you don't. If you don't understand, watch the video again. So, please click the red button, that is subscribe button, and like button for more updated CMA related issues. So, practical. What is meant by practical training? Who have completed or pursuing the intermediate to undergo the practical training? It is very important to make a theoretical knowledge to practical knowledge. How the practical situations in different professional fields. So, explore the environmental in professional fields in different organizations work. So, that is the development of discipline, the profession required of the professional. Attitude and awareness of the ethical values in organizations as well as your ethical professional ethics. So who have undergo the practical training, every student have registered for intermediate course on 1st January 2018 8 or onwards, or maybe 3 years. This is practical training for 3 years whole time basis for satisfaction of the council in any other organization specified appendix A. So we will discuss what is meant by appendix A complete in details. So at least 6 months for a practical training in any one or more organizations specified in the appendix A, or so what is meant by appendix B, A and B. So we will discuss. So exemption of practical training, who a student who of the institute who is working already in the worked in recognized organizations as appointed in appendix A. So documents of three forms we'll discuss one by one. So here it is, we see the practical A, appendix A. So understand carefully. So what is appendix A? So organizations recognized for practical training is a cost trainery shall undergo the practical training as per the practicing cost accountant or firm of a cost accountant or in any following. So for any following organizations, remembering practicing cost accountant, you are working in the practicing work cost accounting as a trainee, or working in the firm cost accounting firms, or any in the following organizations: central, state government or semi-government or public utilities, banks and insurance, other financial institutions and public sector unit, universities, management institutes and other any recognized educational institute, cooperative societies are engaged in banking and manufacturing. In any other organization with turnover 50 lakhs, and in case of service sector 1 crore in case of service sector. So read the appendix. This is with so appendix and any other institution. Note, practical chartered account or company sectors are exempted from the practical training scheme. So exempted from the practical scheme. Practicing chartered accountants and practicing consultants which have they only seek the exemption duly following procedure, payment of fees are prescribed. So management consultants in individual capacity for depending on the size of the firm, nature of duties handled by the applicant related. So as per the mention in the management information systems are similar in nature, size of nature, firm, whatever may be. So mentioned in the appendix A, the organization recognized for practical training appendix A is as appointed as a cost trainee for undergo the practical training. These sectors will be enough. So read it once again, understand what is the appendix A in your own way. So that is the appendix way. These organizations when you are work as a cost training, it will be benefit for you as a practical training enough. So this is the appendix A back. And what is the appendix B? Recognize areas in training. So what are the areas we have training in the there? Recognized areas for training is management accounting, cost accounting, financial accounting management, that is financial management, auditing and regular. So these areas will be recognized as a trainer, cost trainee. So bank officer, insurance, financial services, So any other areas provided by the council, engineering services involved in the production of power and many or any manufacturing activities, project planning management, quality assessment, and supply chain management. So these areas will be considered as considered as a practical trainer or cost trainer, whatever you call. So mentioned in the appendix B. So these areas will be mentioned, and it will be approval as a practice approval as a practical trainer. System analysis, information technology, that include ER system. So lot of opportunities for practical training who have qualified are pursuing the CMA Inter. So all the best who have joined the practical training. So all the best. So please like, share, subscribe for continue the updates. So hope you will clear this so far. We'll continue into the next. So no risk, no limit. So here it is, organizations no limit. So firms of cost of content, practicing cost of fellow member 15, practicing cost of associate members 10. So this is the 10 vacancies recruited by the practicing cost accountants who have already in the field. So this is the mention the first year, second year function. So corporate organization 8,000, 10,000. So practicing cost account and firm cost account is 2,000 and 3,000 and 1,000 and so far. Corporate and organization stipend 8,000 and 1,000. So it may be updated as per the 2018 onwards. So this is the metropolitan area categories. This will be effective 1st of October 2018. So stipend indicate above minimum stipend prescribed by the institute. However, practicing cost account firms organization may fix their stipend. The stipend under this regulation shall be paid by the principal of the trainer or crossed by PEG charge every month. So deposit by the amount of every month account bank account with the branch of prescribed principal. So that's all this appendix here and training for briefly. So what is the recruit zone? So we are so you who have post recruit zones, post requirements for cost training are intermediate and final. So the post name of the post and salary offer and select. So select your intermediate pursuing and intermediate qualified and final qualified. So category experience, what your experience you have already or fresher and mentioned here in the empty column ECE, and it depends upon your caste. Age limit, organization and nature of organization. So here it is, banking already mentioned in the appendix A, same here hotel and infrastructure, highlights and legal and so on. And send your address and details as well submit and click the submit. So that's all for the recruiting. So all organizations are already you have interested to recruit yourself. So arrangement request letter for arrangement for practical training. So here it is, practical training. So dear sir, I'm greeting of the Institute of Cost Accountants as the primary standard. This is the so other places 8,000, 12,000. This is the recruitment request letter, arrangement of practical training for CMS students. So hope you will read it. So you see the online training forms. So online submission for practical training and exemption. Not only T3 online form will be exemption here. T1 and T4 will all students, or T5 will scan it at the CMA training at the rate of icma.in. So here it is, T1 for intimation of engagement of CMS students as a trainers. So who have freshly joined the, so that is already completed trainings or the T form, and T5 is the certificate for training important application. So select your defaults and enter your register number and then submit. So that's all this all completed practical training issues letters. So organizations are registered for students. So here it is, select your nearest. Suppose I select Hyderabad. Organization registered for submitting. So see the address and everything here. Like this, select your nearest center, they go on opportunity and contact with them nearest place. So that's all the practical training. So practicing cost account registered for training. So this is not useful for students. So revision stipend for in minimum subscription. So that also I am showing there. So here it is, officially circular launched by September 10, 2018 onwards, a revision of the minimum stipend for the practical training from corporates and organizations as approved by the Council of 313 meetings of 21/7/2018 is notified by suggested minimum step practical should increase as the following employers organization and then and the list on metropolitan areas. This will be affected depending on the so officially has been announced. This is the practical training. Your details completed. Go through the website in detail in yourself. So due to the some technical issues, no need to worry about the practical issue. You have pursuing and just applied in the details in the recruiter jobs. So the institute has provided the forms, instructions, fill the post, what you are post and selected and details, salary offer and so on. So that's all for today in the practical training segment. So in this video, please like this and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for if you any doubts, please comment below. So I think I can cover in completely briefly and also understandable purpose I think. So if you understand very well, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for